Hello cloud enthusiasts. So in this video we are going to talk about unsupervised learning. While supervised learning algorithms are used to make predictions or decisions based on labeled data, unsupervised learning algorithms find patterns and relationships in data that has not been labeled. Let's understand this through an analogy. Imagine you're a librarian tasked with organizing large collection of books. You have no idea what the books are about or how they should be grouped together, but you need to find a way to organize them in some logical order. So you start by grouping books with similar titles or authors. Then as you start reading the books, you notice that certain themes or topics emerge. You start grouping books with similar themes or topics together, even with different titles or authors. Eventually, you end up with groups of books with similar themes or topics, even though you didn't have any preconceived notion of what those themes or topics should be. This is similar to unsupervised learning, where an algorithm is trained on unlabeled data and identifies patterns or relationships within the data without any prior knowledge of what those patterns or relationships should be. In this analogy, the books represent the unlabeled data, and the librarian represents the algorithm. Unsupervised learning algorithms are useful for a wide variety of applications, including identifying customer segments, reducing the complexity of datasets, and even detecting anomalies in data. So if you have unlabeled data and want to find patterns and relationships in that data, consider using an unsupervised learning algorithm. It's a powerful tool that can help you discover insights and make better decisions. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.